Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel DAV Maths. Today we are doing here chapter 1 worksheet 5, last question of this worksheet, question number 7. So here this question number 7 is the area of a square plot is 800 meter square. Find the estimated length of the side of the plot. Here given the area of the square plot given here is equal to 800 meter का square. We can do this question by the estimation method. In this question, we have to find the estimated length of the side of the plot. Now, we can solve this question. Let's begin. Here, I write answer. So, given area of square plot is equal to 800 meter का square. Now area of square, we know that area of square is equal to 800 meter का square, and we know that area of square is equal to side multiply by side. Side multiply by side is equal to 800. Now we can also write as side multiply by side is equal to side का square is equal to 800. Now we can remove square from here and apply here under root. So in this under root I write here 800. Now the perfect square nearer to 800 are 784 and 841. So I write here 784 less than 800. You can also write this as under root 800, then less than 841. We can also write as 784 is equal to 28 ka square. 28 multiplied by 28 is equal to 784, then less than 800, less than, and 29 multiplied by 29 is equal to 841. Here the number is lies between the 28 and 29. So we have to multiply like this: 28.1 multiplied by 28.1, 28.2 multiplied by 28.2, 28.3 multiplied by 28.3, and so on. So I write here 28.2 का square is equal to 795.24. To save our time, I multiplied before, but you can do it in your rough notebook or in rough area of your notebook. Then 28.3 का square, 28.3 multiplied by 28.3 is equal to 800.89, and 28.4 multiplied by 28.4 or 28.4 का whole square is equal to 806.56. 806.56. Here 800.89 is very closer to 800 in all these three. You also find with the help of difference by subtracting the smaller one from this 800, by subtracting this from 800, this from 800, this from 800, you find that 800.89 is very closer to this 800. So here this 28.3 is approximately the square root of 800. So here 28.3, this is our answer. That's all in today's video. This is the last question of our worksheet 5. So stay tuned to get the next video.